Back in July, Microsoft announced a preview of the new Skype for Business voice and meeting capabilities in Office 365. They included Skype Meeting Broadcast, Cloud PBX, and PSTN conferencing. Skype Meeting Broadcast allows organizations to stream Skype for Business meetings to up to 10,000 people at a time. It makes it easy to host large virtual events like internal town hall style meetings and public webinars. Skype for Business server customers around the world will now be able to preview Cloud PBX in Office 365 using their existing phone lines for inbound and outbound calling. Using this on-premises PSTN connectivity, customers worldwide can use Cloud PBX to eliminate separate PBX systems but still take advantage of their existing carrier contracts. And users in the US can do even more with what we're calling the Cloud PBX with PSTN calling capability. Sometimes meeting participants need to join a Skype for Business meeting using a plain old telephone instead of a computer or other smart device. The PSTN conferencing capability enables this scenario, allowing users to add telephone dial-in and dial-out capabilities to existing meetings in Skype for Business Online. The PSTN conferencing preview, originally only available in the US, is now accepting applications from 14 additional countries that you see listed here. Read the October 7th blog post for all the details and enroll in the Skype Preview program at skypepreview.com. The Office team is dedicated to improving the Office 365 Admin Center experience, making it more intuitive, informative, scalable, and insightful. The recently released new Admin Center Preview focuses on simplifying the dashboard while providing quicker access to the tools admins use most. The goal is to make it easier to complete common tasks without having to leave the dashboard. Whether it's adding a new user, resetting a password, or simply checking a monthly statement. It's still early days and not all of the features are available yet. The development team is looking for your feedback so that they can continue to shape the product into something that will truly improve admin productivity. At Microsoft, our goal is to minimize the time it takes organizations to realize the business value of Office 365. And our recently revamped Microsoft Fast Track service is designed to do just that. First, we're changing the Fast Track from a one-time to an ongoing benefit. This enables customers to request support onboarding new users and capabilities at any time and as many times as needed for the life of the Office 365 subscription. In addition, we're expanding Fast Track to offer customized support and resources not only for onboarding, but also for building a success plan during the envisioning phase of the Office 365 implementation and in driving business value and user adoption once deployed. fasttrack.microsoft.com is a great place to learn more, whether you're already aware of the program or just hearing about it for the first time. Data loss prevention, or DLP, helps block end users from sending information like credit card data or national identification numbers outside the organization. On September 30th, Microsoft announced the production rollout of DLP for both OneDrive for Business and SharePoint Online, expanding the DLP functionality already available in Exchange and Outlook. As the service rolls out, IT admins will begin seeing new controls in the Office 365 Compliance Center, allowing them to easily set up DLP policies for SharePoint Online and OneDrive for Business. Microsoft also announced additional protection controls with policy tips integrated throughout the Office 365 desktop apps, providing consistent notification across all productivity applications. The Office blog post has a helpful table showing what's rolling out now and what's coming soon. For a deeper dive, be sure to check out the Office Mechanics episode dedicated to the topic. I'll leave you this month with a few suggestions. Install and begin using Office 2016 and try out some of the new features I mentioned in this or a previous recording. One of the new chart types might be a great place to start. Another one is to pick an Office 365 workload you might not be familiar with and put it into use. For example, use Sway to deliver your next presentation. Finally, visit the Office blog and Office 365 roadmap to learn more about the topics discussed in this update. And as always, feel free to contact me directly at jimnar@microsoft.com with any feedback. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you again soon.